Another 30 kilowatt hour Leaf in today. This one's a nice late Mark 1 2017. Not too many miles on it, 132,000 kilometers, and we're showing not a bad battery result, but we're going to go ahead and look and see if it needs the update, and we'll go from there. So I've got the service and reporting tool plugged in, lights all showing that it's functioning nicely. So just going to park that. Actually, I'm going to park it in the shade because it's nice sunny day today and we don't want any overheating. I've got the landing page open on the laptop. Shows us what we're looking for. Going to start with run a service and we'll see what comes up. So the first thing the system does is check and see which updates are valid for the car. And this one's already had its battery upgrade done, but it's showing that the brake firmware update, that's a safety issue. So it's always worth doing. But that's showing that's the only one that needs doing today. So here we go, customer's happy to have the brake firmware update. It shows the various options where the system already is and what's available. So we're going to make a start, and I'm going to stop video for a minute because I need to focus on this and I'll pick it back up in a moment. I have to have the car in standby mode, and obviously because the 12 volt on these is always a bit poor, I put a nice strong battery charger on it to keep it live all the way through, and then we go from there. So the hazard flashes go on to make sure that nothing goes to sleep while we're doing this. That can be terminal for the computer, and on we go. So here it is working. It erases the existing flash to start with and then programs in the new firmware. It automatically goes through a reset on the brake pedal and a fault code delete when we're finished, and that's basically all it takes. And there we have it. It's been through the update, it's been through the fault code clearing that the update can generate, it's reset everything, and now it says brake service system updated, finished. There we go. Here's something very special for those that want to buy one of the EVsEnhanced AC charge limiters. It's actually also feasible to restrict the maximum charge on DC, which is rather lovely. So that, for instance, for the 40 kilowatt hour ones, we could still allow you to DC charge, but maybe at a reduced rate of 15-20 kilowatts. Obviously on other vehicles before ZE1, then it's still possible to select a lower. A lot of people like 35 kilowatts or maybe 38, so that the initial heating on the battery never really occurs. Just depends how often you want and need to be using CHAdeMO, but the service is there if you need it.